This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the Cooper & Hunter 48,000 BTU Dual 2-Zone Mini-Split Air Conditioner and Heat Pump. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below for the latest price. The Cooper & Hunter 48,000 BTU system is designed for those who want efficient heating and cooling across multiple rooms without compromising comfort or style. With two wall-mounted indoor units, each offering 24,000 BTU, you get precise climate control in separate zones, making it perfect for larger living spaces or commercial setups. One of the standout features is the inverter compressor, which intelligently adjusts power usage based on the room's demand. This not only ensures consistent temperature but also significantly reduces energy consumption compared to traditional systems. Paired with a CR2 rating of 23.4, it promises high efficiency while keeping electricity costs manageable. The system supports both heating and cooling, working effectively even in temperatures as low as -13 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's suitable for year-round use in most climates. Connectivity is another strong point. Each indoor unit can be controlled independently via the Cooper & Hunter app, giving you the convenience to adjust settings from anywhere using your smartphone. For those who prefer traditional control, the system also comes with easy-to-use remotes. The ultra-quiet design, operating at just 35 dB, makes it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living areas where noise can be a distraction. Installation is made straightforward with included 25 feet pre-flared and insulated copper line sets, communication wires, drainage extensions, and small accessories. While professional installation is required due to the complexity and size of the system, having everything included helps streamline the process. The durable, white finish units blend well with most interiors, ensuring a sleek, unobtrusive look. In summary, the Cooper & Hunter 48,000 BTU Dual 2-Zone Mini-Split offers a blend of power, efficiency, and smart technology. Its dual-zone flexibility, quiet operation, and inverter efficiency make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home or office climate control. There are a few considerations, such as professional installation requirements and initial investment, but the long-term benefits in energy savings and comfort are substantial. For those seeking a reliable, high-capacity, and feature-rich mini-split system, this Cooper & Hunter unit is worth serious consideration.